Looks like there were some technical difficulties going on. So I figured pre-market we would drop and get some of this imbalance here figured out. Probably, I honestly I don't know what the hell is going to happen today. Um, After the elections, because I've never. These are crazy. Like the elections are crazy, and I'm not a real big fundamentals guy. I'm more of a what is the market doing right now type of guy, you know. But the um, I'm also fully aware that fundamentals can fucking wreck us. So yeah, so I'm probably gonna do. I'm just gonna do what I normally do. I'm just gonna see what it's giving us and fucking just make some money. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Let's try that. Got about 17 minutes. Let's look at any imbalances we've got going on. So we've got a daily one down here. Let's see what our weekly is looking like here. Is this our dailies on? No, this one is. So let's check out our weekly here. See what's going on there. See where we are with that. Let's just do this. There it is. Oh god, that's sorry if you can hear that. It's got an alert triggering. What did that one say? Let's see. Oh, that's just some crossovers happening at midlines. So the weekly is bullish. Yep. Weekly is bullish. See how fast I can come up with a bias about the first light, the beacon. I love this thing. It's so great. I love it so much. And yeah, weekly is bullish. We could come down and grab some of these stops down here or right here. These would be good targets right here. Let's put in some words here. Previous weekly high. And then this is just liquidity. So we'll just leave that alone. We've got some more down here. I highly doubt it's just gonna keep bull running and not grab any orders down here. If it does, that would be pretty crazy because where is it all coming from? But yeah, so we'll see what happens with the open. Again, I got into a pre-market gold trade, and it's put me almost near my daily goal again. But I'm still gonna trade this, and I might trade the break the chains account today. Need to get that up some more. Got to get it to $1 million. To $1 million. We can donate it. So let's go US Open. Let's see what you're gonna give us. I'm predicting a dump initially to grab some liquidity and then push up because everybody's. I guess what they're saying is, well, this did just complete a supply zone here. It looks like. No, nah, not really. So they're just saying that Trump won. I'm not sure. I don't know. So we will see if Trump wins. It's probably gonna go bullish. I don't know what everybody's political stance is, but the whole world was looking at the United States as a laughing stock if Kamala Harris was to become our president, and they were probably gonna just dump the markets. And like if you look at what's going on with all the heavy hitters, they've been liquidating their portfolio in case she became president. Um, Warren Buffett sitting on the most cash that I think anybody's ever sat on. Period, 300 something billion, because they were worried about the more than likely the unrealized capital gains tax. If you got 300 billion fucking dollars sitting in the market and someone's about to try to take 40% of it, what are you gonna do? You know, like you're not gonna leave it there for them to go grab it. No, you're gonna take it out. So that's what I mean. That's my opinion on that. What's up, Taz? Sabrine? Beth? What's going on? You guys are probably at work. But let's see what this thing's going to give us here. 12 minutes. Let's swap the zone to 9:30. There's our 9:30 zone is going to be created at 9:30. Right now, it's bullish, obviously. Boom, boom. But it is below the daily. The daily flipped up over it. And then it's running bullish, which is it's kind of weird. Um, Usually the lower time frame zone is either in line with or above with when it's bullish, but that's just to show you what the hell's going on. Craziness. Yeah. So I have All right, let's. We got 9 minutes. We have 9 minutes. No rush, no hurries, no nothings. The it's not even moving right now. So there's I don't know what's gonna happen, man. I just don't know. I don't know. Maybe today's one of the days where we just try to trade a range break or something. Like, I don't know. Oh. But every time something crazy is going on in the world, I'm like, oh my god, I gotta really like pay attention to this and that, and then it just does what it normally fucking does. So maybe I should just ignore it. Maybe fundamentals are a joke. Maybe fundamentals are just fear porn to fuel institutional orders, right? I mean, that's what I would do if I was them. I would fucking scare the fuck out of y'all. I'd make you think crazy. If I had the funds they had, oh my god. Just look for your expansion, contraction, your contraction expansion zones, and then look for the trend breaks of those. Of those. Yeah, so I'm about to post this in case I die. This is scary. Um, yeah, this is kind of. I don't know. I don't know, man. Like, if you guys ever had like a fucking senior director of the one of the a company that owns everything in the fucking world sends you a friend request on Facebook, or like literally sits on fucking committees with U.S. and China relations and fucking investment managers for Morgan and Stanley. It's Morgan Stanley. Like I feel like I'm gonna get fucking sniped right now in my fucking window. Like, is there a sniper out there? The fuck? Look at that! Right before the open, look at this fucking volume just coming in out of nowhere. I love it. I love it. Fucking love it. Like we're 5 minutes away and this is already happening. Holy shit. Scary. Can you guys hear me? Hello? Robbie, can you hear me? I can't tell. I like hold on. Oh, I know. I can do this. Just check, check. Check, check. Yeah. Here we go. My mic's working. Yeah. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Mm. So you can't hear me in the stream. That's not good. Um. Oh well, no wonder. There you go. How about now? Can you hear me now? Why did it have that microphone selected? That's crazy. Hello. Test, test, test.
I mean, you might have.
Test. 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 What's going on? Hello. So we got 2 minutes before what the fuck's going on
Nah, I
here?
still can't hear you.
Hello? Check, check, check. Hello? Check, 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 check. 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 No, no, no. The fuck? All right. I'm going to have to disconnect and then there we go. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you now.
Good. I don't know what the hell's going on. All right, so I gotta share my screen again. There you go. Boom. All right, that was 9:30, right on the dot. Oh my god. Okay, here we go. Let's see what they're gonna do. We're bullish, so kind of flat. Looks like we're gonna be going long here. Let me get a close. We don't have a close yet. I don't like it. Yeah, I don't like this yet. This is the weakest U.S. Open I've seen in a minute. First, here we go. There it is. I'm bullish. I'm bullish. I'm buying. I'm probably gonna hit my daily goal again. I can never get a full trade, man. But whoever's in it, you want to hold this till that line crosses back down. Not telling you what to do, but are they gonna dump this? Are they gonna seriously? Really? It was a fake break. Nah. All right, I'm going break even because this is not the way I want it to be. Actually, there's 500 right there. I'm gonna close. Boom, done. I'm out. 665 closed, and it's still going. So, but that was my daily goal right there. I hit it because of that gold trade I got into earlier this morning. So I'm good. But if you're in this trade, it hasn't crossed down yet. We want it to cross through this yellow line here. Hell, the 5 minute hasn't even broke out of the 930 yet. There, look at this. This is probably gonna be a good bullish run right here. Yeah, but I did close over my goal. Here's my total P&L right here. Boom, on the leader account. So and then that trade right there. Here's the gold trade, and that trade was 660 right here. So I don't have much to complain about. I guess I'm just gonna just start streaming when I get on the fucking computer in the mornings. But I there's no 9:30. I can give Rhyme a reason. Be on at 9:30, and we're gonna get into some trades, right? That hasn't closed yet, so this isn't count as an exit because this hasn't closed. See how it's still moving around? Now let's see if it's gonna close below this. But the 5 minute just broke out of the 45. I'm pretty sure we're bullish. I mean, that's usually what happens. There might be some fluctuation around. I would, if it crosses below it, I would close, take my money, and wait for another entry to push back up through. That's what I would do. Sabrine, did you get in on it? Sabrine, come on. You killed it yesterday. Tell me you got it today too. Let's go. Tell me. I want to know.
Hey, good morning.
Good morning.
I did. I
Hell yeah.
did. And actually, because I was trying to work on, the breakouts yesterday, and that's one thing I have a issue I'm gonna have to talk to you about. But I was, so I was down a little bit because I was just trying to practice, because I have another account,
Yep.
but I'm up now on that one. Let's see, I was down like 1,200.
Mm-hmm.
Now I'm green 113. So I guess I made about what, 14? Guess it's about 1,400. I'd have to go back on my thing and see specifically the amount. But yes, I got that one. That was about 1,400 right there. So
Hell yeah. So
I'm
that's
excited.
almost $3,000 in 2 days.
Yes.
Hell
Now
yeah.
they're two different accounts. That's the only thing. Is
It don't matter. They'll all match
yeah,
up.
but it's green.
Yeah.
So yes,
Hell yeah.
absolutely.
Hey, well, guess what? What is today? Today's Wednesday, right? That's
Yes.
3 days in a row that we have called U.S. Open on the dot.
Right.
That is insane, people. Like, what the fuck? My mind is blown. Like, you can literally make thousands of dollars in 4 minutes and be done and do whatever the fuck you want to do for the rest of the day.
Right.
I know.
Static.
It's crazy. It's crazy. So, what I was saying earlier, I'm going to mute the mic on the stream because I don't want this getting out.
Oh wow. Yeah. They might want you to trade for them. Like seriously. Yeah, I think I'd be kind of fast about it. Yeah.
You can't, like, 1 minute and 26 seconds, $660. Total P&L 1606. These are one contract trades, and I got liquidated because of daily goals. These consistency goal things are fucking killing me, man. Because look at this, never crossed under. I would still be in this trade right now. You see this? It's still going. I'm gonna start trading my own fucking accounts. Fuck this prop firm shit. I'm just gonna blow my own shit up. Look, it's still going here, but 356 ticks so far. This fucker's still going. Still going. No drawdown, people. No drawdown. What? You're calling US Open with no drawdown? What? Yeah, you can see my screen, right? Because I had to
Yeah.
close it and reopen.
I can
Okay,
see it.
so we have a Pikachu in here that needs to reconnect. But look at this. It's still going. It hasn't closed. We're at 356 ticks so far. There it is. There's going to be our close right there. So what would we get? We're going to get 309-ish, 310 ticks. If it closes, let's see. Are we closing? It'll lock in if it does. Yeah, that's closing. Yeah, so this US Open trade, if we would just have held, would have been 316 ticks. I guess I'm just going to say fuck the consistency goals and just start a whole new consistency goal every day. 306 ticks times just one contract, that's 1530. I'm going to start going in deeper. This week has basically just been test week. And I'm putting some skin on the game, but I'm not trying to, put the whole account on it. But I'm about to start maxing out leverage. Like, fuck it. Like, with That's 100% win rate on U.S. Open this week so far. It's fucking nuts. Oh my goodness. I don't know. What do we do now? I don't know. Fucking day's over, I guess. We're done working. Just take your money and run with it. Take your money and run. Do it again tomorrow. Don't be greedy. Just take what you made and run.
So I think because I'm trying to come up with the strategy. So would you suggest like because like the mornings are amazing. Um, and so just do 3 days of that because it's still trying to pass the evals. So there's no consistency as far as those are concerned, right? So
On
do like 3 days
Are you on your eval? There's no
for the
consistency,
eval.
or um, which I don't know which firm you're using. Which one are you using?
I'm
What's your
doing
goal?
Apex Trade.
Apex. All right. I think they have. Well, if sometimes they have those coupon codes or whatever where you can pass in one day. I don't know, but isn't there
Okay.
consistency? I don't know what account you have. Isn't there consistency like 30%?
I think it's 30% for the payout. When you have the PA account.
Oh, so there isn't one for the eval.
I don't think for the eval because I've had it a while. So because I've been up down. So I'm trying to really just come up with a strategy to be able to just pass it and then start the 300 400 a day or whatever what's necessary for the PA.
Right. Um, just trade your account and just trade your account. So like this morning, just take the full trade that we would have got. We would have got this. So we would have got 316 ticks. Just use proper risk management. Use percentage based risk management. So go into the micros and put in 1/4%, and your stop loss is your 1/4%, and then
Hmm.
see, this was a 2.72 risk to reward trade. So you would have made, instead of looking at ticks and dollar amounts, we're looking at percentages, and that'll keep your consistency. So we're going at 0.25 times 2.72. So you would have made 0.68% on the account. So almost 3/4% on the account today, doing it like that. And then
Mm,
if you just do that every day, the same way every time, your consistency goals are going to be fine. You're not going to have a problem.
right. Okay.
Um, and then start getting um, some payouts, and then start getting some more accounts, and just do the Ninja Trader,
Right.
and you can
That's definitely what I'm
trade
trying to.
copy, and um, then you can get accounts at other firms that don't. They have consistency on evals, but they don't on the actual funded accounts. But most
Okay.
firms with a live funded account, not a sim funded, they have a consistency rule.
Hmm.
Most of them.
Right.
Um,
And I,
so
I was looking up the Replicanto, and so they only work through Ninja. It's not
yeah,
like you can't do it through anything. It's like it's its own platform. It's just through Ninja.
it's through Ninja Trader. It's an add-on.
Hmm.
So
Okay.
the way you would do it is you would have your Tradeovate or your Trading View or whatever on your leader account, is the account you're logged into. So, and then you have Ninja Trader running either on just in the background on your PC or on a VPS like I do.
Hmm.
And then all of your accounts are plugged into Ninja Trader and Robocano. And when you execute a trade on Tradeovate or Trading View through Tradeovate, it'll pop up in Ninja Trader at the same time, and then all the other accounts will follow it.
Okay.
Because Tradeovate because you're using Tradeovate now, right?
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay. Yeah. So Ninja Trader owns Tradeovate, so that's why it works. So your
Oh, okay.
Tradeovate account will work in a Ninja Trader account.
Okay.
So when you're doing the trade copying, just make sure your accounts are all compatible with NinjaTrader. So when you're getting more prop firms and more accounts, just keep getting the NinjaTrader versions so that you can log into them on NinjaTrader and trade copy your stuff.
Okay.
Now, Tradeovate has its own little built-in trade copier thing, but it sucks, and half the time it doesn't work right, and it'll leave ghost orders. And
Ooh.
so I got lucky. I don't know how I got so lucky, but I had a ghost order trigger in the middle of the night and go all night long in the drawdown, and then come in through U.S. Open and then it'd be like 3,000 in profit. But
Mm.
it never hit my daily max limit of loss as it went into drawdown, and then I ended up waking up to like $3,000 in profit, and I was like, whoa. And it was because that's when I stopped using Tradeovate's trade copy shit because I don't.
Okay. Okay.
Dustin's gonna be back next week. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. But yeah, there's a ton of prop firms. Go with the cheaper ones first, get some money in your pocket, and then you can start getting accounts in all of them.
Okay.
That's what you could probably copy trade 100 accounts. Like there's probably enough firms out there where you could get enough accounts to do 100 accounts and just get $200 a day.
Right.
$200 little trade a day times 100. I don't know. Anybody can live off 20,000 a day.
Right.
I hope so.
Right. Yeah. Exactly.
But yeah, so
Okay.
live stream. I'm gonna kill the live stream on the YouTubes and all that stuff because this is done. I'm not trading